Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Modestus. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to run Facebook advertisement. Alright? And we're going to do this using our mobile phone. You go to Apple Store and download the app called Meta Ads Manager. You type Meta Ads Manager. That's it here. Alright? So when you open the Meta Ads Manager, look at it here. Meta Ads Manager. Look at it here. Alright, so if you don't have it in your phone, you install it in your phone. Alright, but I have it in my phone, so let me just quickly go there and open it. Alright, good. Alright, so this is Meta Ads Manager. When it opens like this, alright, you come to this place. You come to this place that you are seeing plus sign. You come there and tap on that place in order to create an ad. Alright, so when it opens like this, you are going to see different types of advertisement. Alright, you're going to see different types of advertisement. Alright, the first one says engagement. Look at the first one, engagement ad. Alright, it said it's good for messages and for post engagement. This advertisement, people that are using it are people that have a Facebook page, business page. They want to do what? They want to make people to engage on their page. All right. So the second one is awareness. This is a type of advertisement you run on Facebook in order to create awareness, either for your new brand product or for your new created page. The third one is a traffic advertisement. You run this type of advertisement when you want to generate traffic. That is when you need a number of people in your website. You want to drive traffic to your website. All right. Then this one is lead generation website. You run this type of advertisement when you want to generate leads for your business or for your brand. All right. And we have sales ad. That is sales advertisement. You use this to make sales. All right. Use the type of advertisement to make sales. I myself, I normally use sales advertisement because I have a lot of things that I sell online. All right, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use sales ad to place advertisement on Facebook. All right, let's go. There's another type of Facebook advertisement that is called app promotion. This one, people that use it are people that created a new app software. All right, so they use this type of advertisement to promote the advertisement, They use this type of advertisement to promote the new application, all right, to create awareness and let people know that this new application is out and you can click to do what? To install it. All right, so now let us proceed. I want us to proceed with sales advertisement. All right, if you look at it, you will see that it is called sales advertisement, and under it, you will see what was written there, right? Find people likely to purchase your product or service. All right, so we are using this because we want to do what? We want to make sales. You tap on it. When you tap on it, you wait for a while for it to open. All right, very good. On this interface right now, we're going to fill these three details. This first one here, we're going to fill this first one, the ad campaign, the ad set, and the third one, which is the main ad. All right, so let's proceed. On the first one, we are going to fill this particular one, the campaign details. You tap on that first one. Sorry, the campaign name. You tap on the first one in order to name this your campaign. If you read under it, you will see what was written here. You see what was written here. Your campaign name should be easy to remember, so you can find it when it's listed with your other campaigns. So this is a place where you give your advertisement name so that you'll be able to differentiate between other advertisement that you have run so far. All right, so here you give it a name. Maybe, for example, of what I'm saying, let's say this one I want to run now is called sales ad. You can just name it sales ad. All right, so that when you run brand awareness ad, you will also run brand awareness ad. Sorry, brand awareness ad. If you want to run, let's say lead, you can say lead ad. All right, if you want to run traffic, you can say traffic ad. All right, so here you give it a name that you will remember, because this is good for a lot of us that are running different types of advertisement on weekly basis. So use this name to know the type of advertisement you run, so that if you want to make a edit or something or adjustment, or if you want to use the same advertisement you have run before to repeat it again, the name will always be easy for you to identify it. All right, so let's proceed. We want to run sales ad. And the sales ad, the type of sales ad we are running is editing. We want to make sales. We want people that will come to our DM, chat with us, and learn skill for us. So, like I said before, or rather, let me tell you about advertisement. In terms of advertisement, we run product and non-product advertisement. Under product, people that run product advertisement are those people that have shops in the market, like boutique, like shops and all that are selling physical products, chairs, clothes, fabrics, a lot of it. As far as it's something you can see and touch, they are under physical product. All right. So, but if you are running a digital product, is this type of editing that we want, this type of advertisement that we want to run now, which is editing. All right, so we want to invite digital users who are on the internet to come and do what? To come and learn digital editing. All right, so this is the type of advertisement that we are running now. It's under sales advertisement. So you type it, editing sales ad. Editing sales ad. So this is the name of this campaign, this advertisement we want to run now. When you do it, when you have typed it, you come and tap on this small arrow in order to go back. Tap on this place and go back. You go to the second one, special ad category. Then go straight to budget. How much do you want to run? How much do you want to spend on this advertisement? Tap on it first. When it opens, you now select, clear this 1,900 here, and select the amount you want to spend on the ad. All right, now let me tell you something about ad budget. Ad budget is very good. It's good for you to budget your ad in a way that it will be considerable. How do I mean? Don't just go and budget 1,000 naira and use it and do your ad, your daily budget. Don't just go and budget 900 naira. Don't just go and budget 1,500. I will encourage you to budget at least from 3,000 up. I myself, I normally budget my daily advertisement from 5,000 up on daily basis. So if I want to run, for example, 3 days advertisement, I will make sure that I've already, map out the 15K, the 15,000 that I'll use to run the advertisement for 3 days, which is 5,000 on a daily basis. All right, so, but let's say, for example, maybe you want to run this one with 3,000, depending on your budget anyway, and depending on how much you have, and depend also how much item you want to sell. Do you need a large audience or do you need small audience? So it depends. Do you need a large audience or small audience? So it depends. All right, good. Or let me just change it to that 5,000. Honestly, I don't like budgeting low, right? Don't like budgeting low. That 5,000 is okay for me. All right, so when you select the 5,000, you leave it on the highest volume. That's what is called bid strategy. That bid strategy is a kind of just leave it on that bid, highest bid. I don't want to explain further on that. All right, so leave it there. Leave the 5,000 naira daily budget. All right, so you do what? You go back. Tap on this small arrow in order to go back. That's good. So if you look at it now, we have named our campaign as editing sales ad, and we have budgeted 5,000 as daily expenses. All right, so what do you need to do now? You have to tap next in order to go to stage 2. We have finished stage 1, which is the beginning of our ad creation. So we want to move to this stage 2 now. So we tap on next. Tap on next to move to stage 2. Good, you can see it. It's already highlighted blue, which means we're on stage 2. Once we finish this stage 2, we'll move to stage 3 and finish our advertisement and publish. All right, so it's very, very simple when you are using Meta Ads Manager. All right, let's quickly go and fill this stage 2 form. All right, tap on the first one, which says add set name. So let's leave it like that, new sales ad, because already we are running a sales campaign. All right, we are running a sales campaign. All right, so let's just leave it there. Then let's go to conversion. We tap on that place. So we have 3 conversions here available here. We have website, we have messenger, and calls. So this conversion is those people that we're expecting to come and buy from you. Where do you want to have conversation with them? Where do you want to discuss business with them? Are you driving them to your website? Are you driving them to your Facebook Messenger? Or do you want them to call you? So that is what it means by conversion. Where do you want them to come and discuss business with you? So we always want to use a messenger. We always want to use messenger because we wouldn't like them to be disturbing you with calls. How many calls will you answer in a day? But message will be very easy for you to do what? For you to type and reply. So we're going for messenger. Tap messenger. All right? Select messenger. Then you go back. Anytime you want to go back, anytime you feel whatever, you make sure you go back in order to continue. All right? So we have filled the ad name. We have filled the conversion for message. So we're moving to the third one, which is conversion event. You don't need it. Schedule, we need it. We need schedule. Schedule means from so time to so time, or from so date to so date. Do you want your Facebook to run the advertisement for you? How many days interval? From which time to which time? All right, so we tap on it in order to edit and type and do our schedule. Good, you can see start date and start time. Look at it here. Start date, start time. Right? So after that, we now set what? End date and what? End time. But let's finish with a start date. Let's say we want the advertisement to start today. All right? But you want to run definitely you want it to start immediately. That is for sure. That's for sure. You want to run advertisement. You want it to start immediately. So let's say you want the advert to start today, being 5th August 2023. Then you have to quickly go and select time. All right? The time you want it to start. Is it immediately? If it is immediately, then you don't need to change time. If it is today, then you don't need to change date. But if you want the advertisement to start running, maybe from tomorrow being 6th, that means you have to change this place to 6th. Right? Then probably maybe you want it to start from 12 midnight. You change it to 6th, then you come here and change the time to 12 a.m. And that is it. All right? So when you are through, you now tap on this place in order to schedule the time you want the advertisement to stop running. You tap on this place. Good. When you tap on it, the end date will pop out. Then you come here and select the end date and the end time. All right. So you go to the date. So if you calculate it mathematically from August 5 for 3 days will be 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So definitely the advertisement will end on the 8th of August. So you come here and select 8. Because it is 3 days advertisement we want to run. Then you select time. So if actually the advertisement will start today, which is 5th August, and start at immediate, Now it's after 1. So definitely the advertisement may start from any time, any moment we set it and publish it. So it may start from around 2 o'clock this afternoon, or it may start from 3 o'clock in the afternoon, depending after Facebook review. Remember, when you must have finished your advertisement and publish it, Facebook will review it. So it is normally within 24 hours. All right? It is normally within 24 hours. Facebook will do what? Review your advertisement before it will start running. So once it starts running, the advertisement will be active and it will just start running, start receiving results instantly. All right, so we now do what? We now schedule the end time. The end time will be determined depending on the time it started. So if, for example, you start by 2 p.m. in the afternoon, definitely on that 8, it will stop by 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And that is it on schedule. Let's go back and continue. We tap on this place, or this small arrow here, in order to go back and continue. All right, so looking at it, we are done with ad set, conversion event, the schedule. Now we're going to audience analysis. We're going to audience analysis. What is audience analysis? Audience analysis is the place where you will tell Facebook to publish this advertisement, to show your advertisement to people based on their age, based on their location. Did you understand? Maybe you can select age between 18 to 40 or 18 to 50, depend on the kind of audience you are looking for, and also depends on the kind of product you are selling. All right, so let's go there. You will see what I'm telling you. So you tap on the audience. Very good. When it opens like this, you do what? You see this place, Nigeria, which is what? Location. All right, you now type Nigeria. All right, select Nigeria. All right. Then if there are some places in Nigeria that you want Facebook to show your advertisement in particular, you can simply just go and type it one after the other. For example, Enugu. You want Facebook to show your advertisement to people in Nigeria and people living in Enugu state in particular. You can select Lagos as well. You want Facebook to show your advertisement to people living in Nigeria, in particular Lagos state. You type Lagos state. Maybe you can select Abuja. All right. Select Abuja, Nigeria. Maybe you can select Asaba Delta state. You can select Asaba. All right. You can select Asaba. All right. All right. Good. Maybe you want to add Ibadan. Maybe your audience that are staying in Ibadan. All right. Maybe you can select Ibadan. All right. So you know where your product will sell, and you know the kind of place, the kind of audience you want, where they are. But if you don't want to specify all these things based on different locations in Nigeria, you can just simply put Nigeria only. So Facebook will now use their algorithm and do what? And know the places where they can show the advertisement depending on the people interest and what people are doing on Facebook and so on and so forth. So when you are done doing this, you do what? You save. Very good. Look at it here. We have already selected Nigeria. Look at Enugu. Look at Lagos. Look at Asaba. Look at Ibadan and Abuja. All right. So here you decide who are your audience, which people in particular, based on their location, do you want Facebook to show your advertisement. This is solely your right to do so. All right. So when you are done doing this, you come down. Facebook will do or show you the age bracket. The age bracket. These people, what age do you want them to? This is your audience. Specify their age. Okay, so normally start from 18. So let's say from 18 to, let's say people that will buy my product, editing courses, that are young people. Let me say from 18 to 45 years. All right, from 18 to 45. These are young people that that are looking for that kind of this type of digital skill training, which is editing course. All right, then you come down here and select the gender. You select gender. All right, so we normally put it in all because you want men and female to patronize. You don't want only men, you don't want only women, except if you are selling items that are meant for men only, or you are selling items that are meant for women only, then you can specify. But for this editing course that we are using for this practical course, we are expecting both male and female, so we put it on all. And that's it. Then you select language. You select what? Language. These people we are exposed that you want Facebook to expose your advertisement to. What language do they speak? So normally we put it in all. So you select all. So when you are done doing this, you go back. We are done. You go back and continue. All right? Good. You tap on next. Good. And that has brought us to, you tap on next. And that has brought us to the final stage, which is here, the ad set. The ad, all right? Remember, we are done with here, with the first one, creating the campaign, giving it a name. We are done with actual setting of the ad, where we selected the audience based on their age, their location, where they are, and and so on and so forth, how much we are budgeting for the advertisement and all that. Okay, so right now we are here, the last stage, where we want to finish the advertisement by posting our copy. That's what is called ad copy. Either you are running an advertisement with a copy or you are running it with a video ad. So if it's a video ad, you have to upload the video that you want the members of the public, your audience, to see. All right, where you talked about your product. If it's a copy, you have to upload a well-designed graphic copy, okay, that you will upload to the members of the public and show them what you are doing. All right. All right, so now we are going to do what is called ad setup. Look at it here. Ad setup. Good. Here we're going to upload the image that we want to use to run our advertisement. All right, so you tap on it. When you tap on it, it will open like this. All right, so when it opens like this, you now select, is this single image or video that you want to select. You now go straight and do what? Tap on this first one, not this second one, not carousel. We are using image, and the image we are using video. The video we are using is single video. All right, so you tap on it and do what? Go back. When you tap on it, you tap on this place and go back. Good. Now we are on ad creative. Remember, we are done with this. We are done with this, done with this, done with this. So we are now on ad creative. Let us upload the video that we want to use to run the ad. All right. So you tap on this place, add creative. Good. When it opens, you come to this place and tap here, this small arrow, tap there. You select video. Good. When you select video, you come here and tap on media in order to upload the video. When you tap on the media, it will take you to your gallery where you will upload the video that you want to use to run the ad. So I'm going to tap on that add media. All right, add media. All right, here are the videos I have in my gallery. So I want to choose one of it in order to use it to run the advertisement. All right, so the video is here already. I select one. Make sure, look at it here. Make sure that when you upload the picture, you play it. Sorry, when you upload the image, the video, you play the video to be sure that that's the video that you want to use to run the advertisement, so that you don't end up putting the wrong video. If you made a mistake here, you have messed up yourself and you are going to spend your money for nothing. You're just going to waste your money. All right, so make sure you play the video, even if it is 10 seconds, in order to confirm that this is actually the video copy that you want to use to run your ad. All right, so let's play it. Hello, do you know, with this, with just a mobile phone, with this, you can change your video background to any background of your choice, like this, like this, like this, and like this, with just a mobile phone. All right, so look at it here. We have confirmed that this is the video we want to use to do what? To run our video editing ad. All right, so if you look at it now, you can see some magic that happened here on the side of changing the video background. All right, so if you look at it, you will see that it is going to do what? Attract the audience. Those who don't know how to do what? Change video background will be attracted to do what? To click on your link, all right, and message you directly. And by so doing, you'll be able to form a group either somewhere in WhatsApp where you will like to discuss business with them as a group, or if you want to discuss with them individually, depending on how they are, sending messages and how they are contacting you. All right, so that is it. Then when you put the video and you have tested the video, that's the actual video you want to use to run your advertisement, the video you've already created, or the image you have already designed you have already designed with a graphic designer. You make sure it is the particular image, all right, so that you're not going to be talking something else and your image will be talking something else, all right, or you're not going to be talking something else and your video will be talking something else, all right. So that is it for now. So when you are done, you come here and tap what? Done. All right, come here and tap done. Good, tap done. All right, so when you are done, you come here and give it a headline. Look at it here, headline. All right, give it a headline. So the headline I want to give it, for example, let me say in the video the video is talking about changing of background. All right, so let me say learn how to change video background. Good. As you can see, you can type up to 255 characters. You can type up to 255 characters. But I think I'm okay with this. 37 characters. All right. So after filling the headline, you come down here and type primary text. That is, if you have any primary text you want to add to it, you can just type maybe other things you are offering in your editing class. Maybe it is not just the only video background changing you are running in your editing class. There is also a photo or picture editing. There are other editing courses you are running. You just put it here in your primary text. All right, so you can say you can just say plus other 24 courses in editing. Full stop. So when the viewer, after watching the advertisement, click on the message that comes with your advert, he will see learn how to change your video background, which is your headline, right? Which is your headline. The person will now see this second one. This is the first one. This is the second one. The second message, right? Plus other 24 courses in editing. This will now motivate the person to do what? To click and message you. I'm interested. I'm interested. I'm interested. I want to learn. I'm interested. Then you have to do what? When you must have published your ad, you have to keep your phone well charged, because people will start what? Contacting you. All right. So when we are done doing this, we scroll down to check if there is any other thing, and of course there is. Look at this one. This one is saying call to action. Call to action, CTA. CTA. We call it CTA. Call to action. Look at it here. Call to action. All right. So this call to action is, what do you want your audience to do? Do you want them to call you? Do you want them to message you? All right. So of course we have already set that they should do what? Message. That they should do what? That they should message me. All right. So you can also select there to see other options. You can see different other options. Shop now, book now, learn more, sign up, apply now, get offer, quote, send message. So definitely we're going for this. We want them to send us a message. All right. So when you are done selecting send message like this, when you are done selecting send message, you do what? You do your preview the ad. You tap on this place. Tap on this place in order to preview your ad. Sorry. You tap on this place in order to preview your ad, to see how it is, to see how it will appear in your audience eyes. All right, preview. After this preview, guys, that is it. We are going to publish. After this preview, we are going to publish. We just want to see how is it going to look like. How is it going to look like? All right. So this is where we try to see if there is any correction, or if everything is all right, or if there's any amendment. Look at it. Wow. Look at it. Can you just see it? Can you just see it? Can you just see it? All right. Now look at it. Look at that, our headline. Look at it here. Look at that, our headline. Learn how to change video background. Look at that, our CTA, call to action, which is what? Send message. Can you see? Look at that, our primary text. Look at it. Plus other 24 courses in editing. Can you see? So we really achieved our result. Look at the video. All right. So that is the importance of a preview. When you preview, you check. Is it okay? Is there anything I am missing? Is there anything I'm supposed to do? Did you understand? So after doing all that, you do what? You go and publish. After doing that, you go and publish. Look at it here. This is how it will be showing on Instagram. Can you see it? Instagram explore feed. Can you see? This is how it is going to be showing on Instagram. All right. You still scroll down. This is how it's going to be showing on mobile feed. But this one is not playing for now. It's still loading, maybe because of network. So when you do preview, you will see how the advertisement will be running on different platforms. They will give you a preview, how it look. All right. So when you are done doing all these things, you do what? You go and publish. So let's go back and go to publish. All right. So here is a publish button. Here is what? A publishing button. We are done with this creative sales advertisement. All right. So definitely what we are going to do now is to strike on publish button. It's green already, which means that we are done. If you look at it, you will see that there's nothing remaining. Look at our budget, 5,000. All right. Look at the title of our campaign, sales editing ad. Look at the image. This is the same preview. So you keep on previewing the stuff until you do what? You publish. So right now we're going to strike on a publish. You tap on publish. Tap here so that your advertisement will go under review. So when you tap on this publish, you have to wait for 24 hours because Facebook will review your advertisement. If there's any reason why they will not approve it, they will let you know. They will disapprove it. But if everything is in order, they will do what? They will do what? They will approve your advertisement and it will become active and start running. So this is it. You come to this place and do what? Tap on publish. So let's tap on publish. Publish. Wow. So that is it, my guys, on how to run Facebook advertisement. Look at this here. Look at this place here. Look at this place. Oh, it has left out. But it's trying to tell us that the advertisement is under review. All right? It's under review. So here marks the end of this video. And that is it on how to run a Facebook ad. If you like what you just watched, don't forget to strike on that subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video like this, YouTube is going to give you a notification. Thank you for watching.